everyone. Myself Rupinder, Department of Hotel Management, RPIIT Campus, Karnal. Today I will discuss with you on holoware. It is used in service during that service time in any hotel or food outlet. Let's start. It is B&B butter dish. Here we serve butter. In the bottom we add ice cubes or ice water. Then upper side we place butter pieces and cover with this lid. This is water jug. During water service we use this jug, and this is the hollowware and kind of hollowares and different shapes we use for different kinds of gravies or vegetables, dry vegetable. And this is in bowl where we serve liquid and solid vegetables. This is chapati basket. We serve with tong. Here we serve different kinds of breads like bhaturas, like puris, chapatis, etc. And this is the ladle, service ladle, where we use for kind of gravies or kinds of biryani served by this ladle. It is also part of hollowares where we serve dry items in any outlet. And this is chapati basket. It is in different shapes of chapati basket, or sometimes we use as a salad basket for serving to the guest in a particular outlets. Thank you. Please like and subscribe our channel RPIIT Academy.